We made enough from CPI yesterday, and I'm still a little bit lazy to trade today. All right, so I'm gonna let a Forex robot do the job for me today. All right, I want us to be able to go from the start to the finish on this small life account. If you can check on my screen, this is a $3,000 account, which I just took some manual trades and I've taken it to 3,200. You can see that's a account, rerun number 5. So I have a couple of live accounts for different strategies. So this small one is strictly for robotic trading, and I'm going to let Patrex Pro do all the work for me. Remember, with the robotic trading, you need to already accept the risks. I'm accepting the risks that if everything goes well, then I'm seeing myself tripling this account. I'm seeing myself taking this account from 3,000 to maybe 9,000 or 8,000. But if it doesn't go my way, I'm fine to let that 3,000 go. I've already accepted the risk, and I've done it a couple of times, hundreds of times. So even if I lost on this account once, I know I'm just going to try another time and I'll still win big. So that's the mindset you're supposed to cultivate anytime you want to use any strategy or any robot. There's no robot out there which is bulletproof. There's no strategy that is bulletproof. But you need to cultivate the mindset of a winning, profitable trader. That's the only way you'll be able to make money with that particular robot or with that particular strategy. So after accepting the risks involved, after accepting the reality or the realities of trading, let's just get straight into the game, right? Let's just get straight into the video, and we're going to be placing the trades together. And for most of you are watching me for the first time, or you've been watching my channel for some time and you haven't subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel, because my goal on this channel is to share tips and tricks that will be able to help you make money in the Forex market consistently and totally for free. You can see on my screen we have, that's our account balance there, $3,000. You can see Patrex Pro MT5, because Patrex Pro is both on MT4 and MT5. So we're going to be using the MT5 version since this is MT5, right? And I still have another robot here, but it's just another. I'm always working on robot. I'm always working on AIs. I'm always working on tools. So this one is just another one I'm testing out, right? They're good. So according to my decision for today, I'm going to be using the robot on the most liquid and major currency pairs: Great Britain Pound USD, USD JPY, Euro USD, Gold, which is SAU USD, and Great Britain Pound JPY. All right. So if I'm feeling too generous, I might still use it on CAD JPY. So those are the currency pairs we're going to be using the robot on. So let's start with the first one. It's easy. Remember, the robot is going to do the analysis for you. It's going to do everything for you. Place and manage the trade. All right. So the only thing you just do, make sure your algo trading is turned on. You can see that's algo trading on. You just drop the robot and you click on input. I want us to just change one or two inputs, or you can just use the default input. I'm just going to use the default input just the way it is. My signal strength is on 1, lower TF 5 minute, upper TF is 1 hour. I've already explained in detail how this robot works, why this robot was able to win a lot of awards, all right? And it's based on, you can see the many parameters. The robot is having hundreds upon hundreds of parameters, because we want to be able to handle every market condition. So if you want to watch that video, check the link below or check the link above. I'm going to see if I can put it on the video description, or just check the link I'm going to leave above to also watch that detailed video about the robot. Today we're just going straight into the methodology. We're just going straight into the trade. All right. So signal strength is on 1. Continue trade on exit. Yes, I want the robot to continue trading until when I want it to stop. And then auto trade mode, I want it on 100% auto. All right, 100% auto. Time frame base, I want lower TF, and then you can still change this one to the current time frame. So present TF, but I want lower TF. PP direction, it doesn't matter because I've put it on auto. So the robot will be able to choose to buy or sell based on the market conditions, also combined with AI. Remember, this robot is having 5 different strategies combined with AI. So there's that, maximum stop, maximum this. I'm leaving that the way it is. And then all of this is strictly, if you're working on a prop firm, if you're using it on a prop firm, then that's where you can turn on the daily drawdown, the overall drawdown, equity base, maximum profit target. So since I'm using it on a private $3,000 account, I'm going to leave all these options just the way. I'm going to leave them on false, because this is a private account and not a prop firm account. Trades per signal, I'm going to leave it on 4, just the same way it is. and then fixed lot size. I can use the lot size as the variable lot size, but let's go with fixed. Let's go with fixed lot size, right? Remember, variable lot size, the more you're in profit, the robot is going to automatically increase your lot size, and the more you start losing, the robot is going to automatically reduce your equity or reduce your lot size to prevent you from blowing your account. So that was a groundbreaking parameter, but this one I'm going straight into the game. Let's just use fixed lot size so that you guys don't get confused. Since it's a small account, I want us to use 0.2 lot size. You can see it's a small account. I see people, they will have a $1,000 account and they're using 1 lot size, 2 lot sizes. Guys, at least just be realistic. You're going to blow your account. So I'm going to use max 0.2, and then our stop loss, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Let's go take profit. I'm going to come in a little bit hard today. My take profit is going to be fine on 50 pips, and then that's it. That's it. I'm going to leave just everything just the way it is, and voila. All right, so let's save this because these are the settings we're going to be using for the entire day. So let's just call it YouTube settings, so that when we go to the other currency pair, we just need to just input the settings without changing anything again. So I just click on OK, save. All right, any other thing here, I want it to just stay the way it is, right? And I just click on OK. Voila. So we have the robot on Great Britain Pound USD. You can see your panel is right there. You can see everything on your panel. You can see when the robot is going to be expiring. You can see your margin, your equity. You can even anticipate how much you're going to make. You can see a lot here. I'm not wasting your time on that. You can see the time is showing there right down to the millisecond. Good. Let's go. You just need to allow the market to do analysis, but in less than 2 to 3 minutes, the robot will already start taking trade. So on this currency pair, the robot is still analyzing the market. Let's quickly go to the next currency pair, which is which one is this again? Let's just load this. Go to best. I want it to be on a nice template. Best template. Voila. So this is USD JPY. We just drop our robot, and we're not going to be wasting time. So we'll just go on load, and then we save YouTube settings. It's already there. We click on OK. Voila. That's it on USD JPY. You can see immediately I drop it on USD JPY. It's already opening trades because the robot could already see that the market is already aligning according to our analysis. So the robot is already opening trades. Let's go. Remember, we're going to be opening on about 4 to 5 currency pairs, right? And then this one again, let's load our best template, and then we bring in our robot. Let's go here. Okay, bring in our robot. We click on load, and then we click on YouTube settings, click on OK, and OK. Voila, that's it on Euro USD. Let's go to the next. The next should be gold. Almighty gold. The time frame here doesn't matter. The robot is going to do everything. So don't worry if your robot is on the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. Drop it on gold, go on load, then I go on YouTube settings, click on OK, click on boom. You can see that's it gold. And before we're done with this video, you already see trades will be up and running on gold. Let's go to Great Britain Pound JPY, and then we're going to be dropping it again there. Let's go to best template, and then we bring in our robot, click on load, click on YouTube settings, and voila, that's it. Click on OK. That's that. Okay, that's the robot on Great Britain Pound JPY. You can see Great Britain Pound JPY is opening immediately. So the reason why the robot is opening some trades immediately and taking time to analyze on some currency pairs is just based on the opportunity present in the market. If the robot has already seen that, okay, this is an opportunity that has already presented itself, then the robot is going to be buying immediately. So that's why you see it opening, and then after some time, before it opens on other pair. And remember, the robot is also controlling the entire equity on the entire account. Meaning, if the robot sees that your account is too exposed, the robot can still reduce on the number of trades it's opening. Let's go to the last currency pair, which is CAD JPY. One of my favorite, CAD JPY. We drop Patrex Pro, click on load, go to YouTube settings, and click on OK, and then OK. Voila, that's it. So we have all our currencies. You can see CAD JPY immediately open trades. You can see that's our CAD JPY. Let me just push this up a little bit so that you can see. So currency pairs that we've had trades open, we have USD JPY, Great Britain Pound JPY, and CAD JPY. We are still waiting on Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, and gold. All right, and you can see how effective the robot is. All the trades are in one direction, meaning The robot has already, and these are all JPY pairs. So if the market is actually bullish on JPY, then it should be obviously bullish on other pairs that also have JPY as a secondary currency pair. So you can already confirm it here by yourself. You can see the robot is having the lot size already there. The TP is, the stop loss is automatically placed. The TP is automatically placed. And right now we are down with minus $50. And remember, we just open, obviously you need to pay spreads. You need to pay commissions. That's why we are still down with minus $50. So that is it. If we go on gold, you see gold is still analyzing. You see this, there should be a message on the screen. Let me just show you guys. If you can come here, you can see it's a Patrex Pro analyzing the market. And look at what is happening. Look at what is happening, meaning I can already see what is going to happen on gold. Gold is going to open a buy position because you can see right from the 5-minute time frame, gold is bullish. 15-minute time frame, gold is bullish. 30-minute time frame, gold is bullish. 1 hour time frame, bullish. Right to the monthly time frame, all right? Okay, Great Britain Pound USD is opening, Euro USD is also opening. You can see, voila. That's it. So the only one we are waiting should be gold. And I think gold should be opening buys. I can already see gold should surely be opening buys. And let's just go Great Britain Pound USD open sell positions. So let's go there to confirm, to even see why the robot is opening sell position. You can see all the positions on Great Britain Pound USD are also winning positions. So let's go here and see what's happening, right? Let's see what's happening on Great Britain Pound USD. Perfect. Can you see what's happening? So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see Great Britain Pound USD is bullish. It's actually dropping. On the 4 hour time frame, Great Britain Pound USD is actually dropping. And what does the robot do? So the robot is able to combine 2 time frames, or if I choose the signal strength to be 2, then it will choose the current time frame and also check to see what's happening on the time frame after that, all right? And you can see it's also selling, all right? And then what will happen is the robot will go on a lower time frame to execute those trades, since it's working on candlestick, it's candlestick based. So that's why you see we are opening sell positions. There are a lot of strategies into this. There are a lot of factors that come into this. You can see we are already up on almost about $26 in profit. So there are a lot of factors that contribute to this. But the main thing you just need to know is the robot is able to combine analysis with AI to give you a solid signal. You can see how the market is dropping. Can you see this? The robot is telling you now selling. Let's go to one that is buying, like maybe USD JPY, and you see on the 1 hour time frame, it should obviously be buying on the 1 hour time frame on USD JPY. Can you see? Voila, 1 hour time frame, the market is buying, and the robot combined with AI is telling you the market is buying. There are a lot of other signals and other strategies that have been combined. I'm just giving you guys like the tip of the iceberg. So we're going to be coming back in a couple of hours to see what's happening with our trade.
A few moments later.
About 20 minutes after, and you guys can see we are already up more than 20% of our account. More than 20%, all right? Before I even go far, let me just expand this up a little bit so that you guys can see. The robot has added a couple of other trades. Can you see? That's my dashboard. This is the same account. Remember, you can check before we started the video. That's the same account balance. We are up with $700, almost $800. $800. Let's go and do the math, guys. Let's go and do the math. I want to teach you guys a very, very critical lesson on this particular video, right? Forget about robot, forget about any strategy. This is a critical lesson I want to teach you. Come with me. Let me show you this. Let me go here on percentage calculator, right? And let's just quickly do a small, let's just say $800. Remember, we've already made $800 in 20 minutes, right? $800 of $3,000 is how many percent? Let's calculate. That's 26% of our account. We've made 26% of our account in less than 25 minutes, or in our 25 minutes. Tell me any tool, any robot, any system, any strategy that can do this. That's why Patrex Pro has won many awards as the most innovative EA, as the most profitable EA, groundbreaking EA, everything. So that's almost about 26% of our account in 25 minutes. And let's face facts. Let's go back to MT5 and let's go back to MT5. You can see we're almost heading to $1,000. And this is how you see trading. Just be realistic. Just be realistic sometimes and stop following all these videos you see on the internet. If I can find a system that can give me just 10% gain per month, bro, I'll be a multi-millionaire. If I can find a system that can give me just 10% gain per month, I'll be a multi-millionaire, because this is almost 26% of our account in less than 25 minutes. If it was on a $10,000 account, that would be $2,600. If it was on a 100K account, that would be $26,000. If it was on a $1 million account, that would be $260-something thousand in less than this. So maybe some of you guys just come now, you put it on a small account, and then you want to over leverage, and you tend not to see the potentials of that particular tool, or the potentials of that particular robot, or even talking about a strategy, you tend not to see the potentials of that strategy, because you are hoping to put it on a $3,000 account and it turns that account to maybe $20,000 in one day. Bro, that's not trading. You need to be realistic. See trading as a game of percentage. If you can make this particular percentage per month consistently, that's what keeps us on the top. That's what keeps us as millionaires. It's as easy as that. This is almost, I don't know why my computer is freezing a bit, but let's just see. We are standing on $813, but I want us to close these positions live, right? So that's why I don't know why the MT5 is freezing, but I wanted us to close these trades live. I don't know why my MT5 is freezing. Let me just do this, but you can see we are standing on $831. Our balance now is 4,000 something. I wanted to close. My target was just to make 20%, and I wanted us to close these trades together. But as my MT5 is freezing, as soon as it's able to reboot, I'll just close all these trades. But I think by then it should already be on $1,000. If you have to calculate $1,000, let's just go here and you put $1,000. Guys, I don't know why my MT5 is freezing. Let's just go to $1,000, right? Of this, we calculate, that's 33%. It will mean the EA has just made us 33%. You won't see any tool like this. You won't see any strategy like this. And for the whole time, you guys have bear witness with me. I haven't done anything. I was only able to put my robot on the chart. There are already default settings that the robot will use to be able to analyze the market, to confirm if the market is in a bullish trend or a bearish trend. The market, the robot will also analyze to see if there's a potential news event that can be affecting your position. The robot will also join with AI to be able to find points of confluence that may be affecting your position. So that is why this tool is the most viral and the most profitable robot as we speak. So like I said, I'll just, as soon as I'm done with this video, obviously my computer should be able to free. You can see my screen is frozen. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm recording my screen and I'm trading at the same time. I don't know why, but this is MacBook Pro, so I don't know why it's freezing, but it is what it is. As soon as it's able to reboot, obviously you can see the trend is very strong. So by the time the computer is going to be rebooting and coming back to normal, obviously we should be on about $1,500, which should be about 50% of our account, and I will be closing. And like I said, even if I was able to make 10% on this account, I would have still closed. People see like that and say, yes, just the fact that you made 1,000 within a shorter period of time, if the market would have gone against you, you would have blown the account. No, bro, I wouldn't have blown the account, because the robot wouldn't have entered the trade. The robot would have analyzed and see that, okay, these are points where I shouldn't be entering into the game. The robot has been able to capitalize on this trend because the robot saw that, okay, this is an opportunity for me to add some trade. Because you see, remember we started and you see the robot has been adding other trade, There's a point in time it stopped. After some time it adds other trades again. After some time it takes profit. It does everything for you. So if you've watched this video to the end, I want to give you the opportunity to be able to use this tool, to be able to start using this tool to make money in the Forex market. I just gave you an example to say, okay, even if you wanted to use it on a prop firm and the robot is able to make you 10% and you're using it on a 100K account, it means you just made 10%, which is $10,000. If you're using on a 200K account, you just made $20,000. See trading as a game of percentages, not account flips, all right? I'm just giving you guys from 10 years of experience. So if you want to use this tool, I want to give you an opportunity to get it at a very huge discount. Let me give you guys up to 20% discount, right? That's something I'm personally doing on my side. So you can just go on the website. The link is on the video description. It will take you to Godlove University. Patrex Pro is a product of Godlove University. So you just go on Godlove University, you see Patrex Pro. You can see results of other traders that are using the robot. You can also join a Discord community strictly for Patrex Pro on traders who are using Patrex Pro on a daily basis. More than 5,000 traders. So use the code on your screen Patrex Millionaire. Patrex Millionaire. All right, Patrex Millionaire. Patrex Millionaire to get a whooping 20% off your first purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to use my recommended brokers that will be able to pay you even if you are using EAs like this, also check the link on the video description, and don't forget to join my free Telegram community where I share a lot of free stuff on my Telegram. Watch this video, which was a full video I made breaking down the entire strategy behind Patrex Pro and how Patrex Pro work. Also watch out this video to see how Patrex Pro is making more than $50,000 in one day. Also click here to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.